If you guys are looking for an excellent deal on a FASS Fuel System, well, we have just the deal for you. We have a handful of blemished parts that we're going to be listing on the website, and by blemish we mean there's going to be an imperfection in the anodizing on the filter base or the T-block, but once it's under the truck and once it's installed, you're never going to know that there's any blemish in that anodizing. And of course, it's still going to carry our lifetime warranty when the system is registered. Now, these are going to be available only on our website, so fassride.com. And the kits that we're going to have available are going to be the TS C10 165G, TS C10 100G, TS D08 100G, TS D07 165G, and TS D07 100G. Now again, these systems are going to be only available directly through us at fassride.com. So again, if you're looking to get a good deal, go ahead and check them out.